Welcome to a world of timeless style and endless inspiration. The new Laura Ashley limited edition Enovis NX 2000 sewing machine from Brother. Now sewers and quilters can experience a touch of English in every stitch, with 460 included stitches and virtually unlimited custom stitch abilities. Exclusives abound, such as the automatic height adjuster AHA feature that adjusts to varying fabric thicknesses for perfect stitching, and a pivot function that lets you pirouette fabric with ease, a must-have for mitered corners and more. Plus you'll love free motion stitching, it's like painting with thread, and our new bobbin work and circular sewing capabilities, all essential embellishment techniques for exciting home decor and more. Welcome to the colourful world of Laura Ashley. See it, sew it. Only at your local Brother Enovis dealer. To learn more, call 1-800-4A-BROTHER or visit brother.com.